Well, good day guys and welcome back to the channel. Recently I did a video where I showed you how to swap over your factory windscreen. In that video I used my MotoHansa toolkit and I got quite a few requests for a closer look. So if you stick around, today I'm going to give you a bit of a show and tell. Okay guys, thanks for staying tuned and let's get right into it. So you can actually buy this toolkit from a couple of dealers online in Australia, but I found by going to the MotoHansa website, and I'll put up their address here, it was exactly the same price. They even included delivery. So you're looking at about $350 for this. And you might start sucking your teeth at that price, but if you think about it, by the time you've bought a tool roll and go through in all the individual components, which I did do this calculation, you're getting up there anyway. And yes, you could probably go down to your hardware store and buy some cheaper stuff, but do you really want to take that risk when you're out there in the middle of nowhere and you need to fix your bike? So for me, I thought it was a good investment. So if we spin the box around, we can see there's quite a comprehensive list on the back of there. Just in case the camera's not focusing properly, I'll copy that out and I'll list it out here as we're going along. So let's have a look inside the box and see what's included. Okay, first impressions, it comes with a really heavy duty tool roll. Great Velcro fasteners on it, that's going to stay sticky for a long time. And we'll roll this out and we can see just how well organized everything is. And they even supply flaps on the edge of the tool roll to stop items slipping out. So you can see that this bit here covers all your drivers and your sockets and whatnot. You also get on the left hand side, sorry, I'm not sure which side you're looking at right now, but you also get zip storage here, so you can put things like fuses, cable ties, all that sort of stuff in there. And then there's also another flap here that protects the socket rail on that side. Okay guys, so let's go through the contents of the toolkit. So over on this side we get a socket rail, and you've got sockets ranging from 24 right down to, what's the smallest one? That is a 8mm socket. You've then got an extension bar in this pocket there. This is your bit driver or screwdriver, so you put the bits in there, which I'm going to show you in a second. But the awesome thing about this is you pull this little flange out, that's what I'd call it, and that converts into a T driver as well. Okay, so that's pretty cool, and you can see that everything is nicely anodized, lovely finish. And then you get your ratchet spanner or ratchet wrench, whatever you call them where you live, and you can actually lock that down and then extend this and use it as a breaker bar as well. Then you get a full range of wrenches or spanners ranging from 8 to 19mm, and if we pull one out, you can see that they're open-ended and a ring end, and they're also a spline drive, hopefully that's focusing, so you get more contact on the nut or the bolt that you're trying to shift. Okay, looking up at the top here, you get a couple of deep sockets. I think one's for the spark plug removal. Not sure what the other one is for, to be honest. Then you get your axle removal tools, and you also get, let me just pull that out, so there's for your front and rear axles. Sorry, front axle, let me get that right. And then you get that oil filler, it's the oil cool socket, and then you also get your oil cap so that you can top up your oil as you're going along. I'll just set those to one side. And then you get two rails of bits. So the first one is your Torx bits and a couple of Phillips screwdriver bits on there. And the other one is another range including flat, socket head, Hallen head, depending on what you call them where you live. And they all fit in either the ratchet spanner, ratchet wrench, or the T-driver. And then finally you get some fixed Torx. You get 3 of those and they're already fixed in sockets. Over on this side you get some extra storage, so you can put things like cable ties in there. And what I really like about this kit is they add in some extra pockets so you can stick some other stuff in there, and they have these flaps that come over to stop anything falling out as you're working on this, because how many times you drop something at the side of the road and you don't realize that you've done it. Okay, so let's roll that up, tidy everything up. I'll make sure I put everything back so I've got it the next time I'm out on the road, and we'll wrap up the video. So there you go, that's my short and sweet review of the MotoHansa toolkit. Just at this point I want to say that this was not a freebie. I'm not sponsored by them. My partner bought me this for Christmas, which is a pretty good present, and this review is totally unbiased. Anyway, if this has helped you out, do me a favour, smash that sub button down below. If there's anything I've missed, let me know in the comments. Other than that, I'll see you on the next one. As always, ride safe and have a great day.